In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle X-ray mode in Blender. X-ray mode is a quick way to see through geometry in the 3D viewport so you can select hidden vertices, align parts, and understand how objects overlap without constantly orbiting the camera. It doesn't change your actual model or affect final renders. It's purely a viewport aid to help you work faster and with more precision. I'll show you two simple ways to toggle it, plus a tip to control how transparent things look so you can dial in exactly what you need. The fastest way is with a keyboard shortcut. With your mouse over the 3D viewport, press Alt plus Z. That's it. This instantly toggles between your normal shading and X-ray shading. Use it as a quick on-off switch while modeling, selecting loops inside a mesh, or lining up reference geometry. If you tap Alt plus Z again, you're right back to your regular shaded view. If it doesn't seem to work, make sure Blender is the active window and that your cursor is inside the 3D viewport rather than a different panel. This shortcut is ideal when you just need to peek through your mesh for a moment and keep moving. If you prefer to click or want finer control over how transparent things appear, use the shading menu in the top right corner of the 3D viewport. Look for the sphere icon that opens the viewport shading dropdown. Click it to expand the options, then turn on X-ray. As soon as it's enabled, you'll see your objects become semi-transparent. Right there in the same dropdown, you'll find the X-ray transparency slider. Drag it left for stronger visibility of your mesh while still seeing through, or right to make the objects more ghosted and easier to see internal components, edges, and reference images. Adjust it until the scene feels clear but not confusing, enough to select what you need without losing the big picture. A couple of quick usage tips. X-ray is especially useful for box selecting through a model because it allows selection of elements that are behind the front faces. It also helps when aligning parts in assemblies or matching a mesh to a background image. Remember, you can toggle X-ray on for the moment you need it and then turn it off to return to a more realistic shaded view. That's all there is to it. Use Alt plus Z for a fast toggle, or the viewport shading dropdown's X-ray toggle and transparency slider for precise control. Happy modeling, and I'll see you in the next one.